Hi guys! Back again with another find. I've got something super exciting. This best Jho Amber Drl is a total game changer. Trust me, you're going to love what this brings to the table. First, the look of this thing. It's sleek, modern, and just screams high-end quality. You can really tell they didn't cut any corners on this one. Now, about the value you're getting here. Affordable doesn't even begin to describe it. It's an amazing value. High quality without breaking the bank. Yes, please. It's super functional for everyday use. It's a perfect choice for any setting and delivers consistent results. It's reliable, stylish, and honestly just a joy to use. Now, here's the catch, they are selling out quickly. Smash that link below right now to see the deal. Hit that bell so you never miss out on these gems.